Okay, I'll light it on. I'll light it on.
Alright, listen, let me hold it.
No, okay.
Yeah, and then you're gonna light it, innit?
Okay, cool.
Go on then.
I'm ready.
Alright, we're ready.
Everyone ready?
Yeah, you ready?
Okay.
Go on then. Run, stop, run backwards. Ha ha. Hello.
Hi.
Hello, fire starter.
Hello.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, come on.
Oh God.
What? Alright, let's get some more fire.
Yo, ready? I don't know.
What should we do?
Wait, I think this might be burning out.
What's that? Is that that? What's that? That's more of that, isn't it? I knew I had more. Alright. Where's the box? What should we do now? What's in here? We'll put one of those on.
Yeah.
And we'll put one of these on. What does it say on them? This way up.
Still burning out.
Give me some light, give me some light. Give me some light, Carl, give me some light.
Yeah, here's a light. Here's my light.
No, yeah, that's it. Give me some light. Just need to, so I can get this on.
There, you can get it. You can get it out now.
Huh?
Yeah, is it out?
Yeah. Right, so let me just read the instructions quickly.
Okay.
Roman candle.
Alright.
Alright.
Alright. Oh, so we're lighting the big ones out. Okay. Alright, where's the lighter at?
Huh?
Where's the lighter?
Oh,
it's just at the top.
Yeah, it's right here.
Yeah, I can see.
So come on,
Yeah,
come on, light it and run straight over there. You ready? Come on, let's go. Go on. Yeah, I'll record them.
Okay.
Oh, that's a bit vanilla.
Yeah, it's a little bit trash.
It's sweet.
Oh!
Wait, T, we're gonna light a little rocket. We're gonna light a little rocket.
Right, that's one.
You want some help?
Right.
No, stand back.
Yeah.
Stand back.
Wait, T, make sure.
Come, stand back. Alright, leave it a while. I'm gonna light this one and then we'll go to it after.
Move this.
Give me some light, one.
Move this. Here's your light. There we go.
Come on, stand back.
Okay, stand it back. Still a bit trash. Could use more work. It really could use more work though. Okay, next one's going. Good flare.
No.
God. Course is still going. Still going. Really still going off? Oh, it's still going. It's really still going. Focus. Do you need light? Do you need light? I'll give you some light if you need it. It's really still going.
Record. I'm just gonna get you. I'm using your light. Don't worry.
Alright, cool.
I'm using it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Record your stuff.
Yeah, I know. I'm just letting you see if you got light.
Mm-mm.
Oh, it's still
Yo,
fine.
this one's mad.
I know, it's still going. 3 minutes?
What one's that called? Was that glitter one? See, I knew you had that one. That's why I swapped my one. Yo, that's the mud.
I know. I thought it stopped for a second, but no,
It's mud.
it's still
That one's
going.
the real.
Even though there's fireworks in the distance. Mate, I am where mate.
Yo. Yeah.
There we go, that's it.
Yeah.
Oh, that was good.
I'm thinking that one did that.
Still more rockets around.
That one did that.
No more. Okay, which one is it?
I don't put it too far.
Right. Hey, is it ready? Wait.
Alright. Stand back.
Yeah, I'm gonna stand back. I'm just wondering.
Come, run back.
I'm running. Pretty good. Not bad.
Okay.
I've got some 50 shot repeater tea in here.
Oh, cool. Okay, next one's. Oh, next one's going off. Keep my distance. Awesome.
Put one of these on and put a binger on.
A big one?
Yeah, I'm gonna
Yeah.
put this one on there. I'm gonna put a big binger in.
Yeah, then a big rocket. That's when the big fun happens. Let me set this red thing up. Set this up. There we go. Okay, it's going off. Come on, Dad, let's go. Let's watch this thing. Okay, there's a gun. Not bad. Not too bad.
So I'm gonna find out. Hold on, let me just do one of these bingers and then I'll put that 50.
Focus it. Okay. There.
Huh?
No,
Give me some right, go on.
there. Okay, here's some light.
Thank you. Alright then. What are you saying? Houston, we have a problem. We're gonna launch a motherfucking into space.
The language.
Yeah? We're gonna launch a big boy binger into space.
Dad.
What my language?
No, I'm just saying.
What about it? Hold up.
No,
Hold up.
that's why.
Huh?
I'm going to post this on the internet.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. It's alright,
Sorry, but you're allowed one of them.
Yeah.
You're allowed one.
Yeah, just one.
Just one.
Are we ready? I'll like the big one.
Huh?
I like the big one.
Oh my god.
God, this
Give
is.
me some light, I can't see.
Hey,
This thing ain't coming down.
It's a light.
It's faulty.
Hold it on there for a couple seconds. See?
Huh?
It's a light.
Rocket ready.
Oh, it's a rocket.
But why ain't this coming down though?
God, I need to hold this light. Oh God. God, there's smoke. Right, we're ready for this. Ready to light another one?
Yo!
Ooh, the one's in the back.
The spaceship.
Oh my God, I want to launch the rocket. Let's do that. Right, I'm coming. I'm gonna launch the big one. Oh shoot. Oh Jesus. I'm running back. Very good. Just screaming in the rockets. Okay.
Alright, look. Yeah.
Okay.
Give me that phone because you can't do the phone and do that.
Yeah, Dad. Let me make sure the camera's focused.
What do you mean make sure it's focused?
Yeah, so you doesn't.
Oh, you just concentrate on what you're doing.
Okay.
Yeah, I've got the picture. You just look at what you're doing. Don't look at the camera.
Ready.
You run back to where they are. Come on. Run.
Let's go.
Oh, cool.
Oh Jesus. Lovely.
Come on.
I know, that was some rocket sound.
The God finder, you know.
To be honest, I actually thought my rockets was going to do that.
What were them little ones?
What are those little ones? What are those little
Why do you think it's going to do that, bro?
What?
I know, it must be, bro. Come on, bro.
What are those little ones gonna do?
Some of these ones, you should do some double bummers.
Oh, okay, cool.
There's two different ones here, so.
Another little one.
Alright, what's going on? Alright, look.
Yeah. Any light? Here you go.
Wait, there's another one here. Look, we put this one next to that. And then.
Very good. Very good fireworks. Yeah?
Oh, shit.
Oh, careful, don't break it. Focus. Okay.
Excuse you.
Oh God, it's bent and it's...
Alright,
Bent
so.
Okay, hope it
Alright,
works.
so hold on. Wait.
Yeah.
Alright, so hold on.
Wait,
Have you got-
This has gone out.
Is it gone out?
Yeah, this one's
Alright,
gone
so I'm
out.
going to give you this one, and then I'm going to use the lighter.
Okay, cool.
So we're both going to light one.
Hey, like one, I'm going to hold it with my hand.
Huh?
I'm going to hold it with my hand.
Why? And then you're going to get fucking bare splinters.
Of course.
You're going to
Hold the tube.
Sorry, the language.
Show me to you, I'm going to hold one with my hand.
Why though?
Stupid.
Why are you teaching her that? And then she's going to do it with her friends, and then when she gets the big boy bringer. Alright, hold on. Alright, yeah, right, let's start these ones, and then.
Shall I leave my
Yeah.
oh, okay, done.
Yeah, I'm going to do these ones, and then.
Alright.
When you do one. Ready? Ready, steady. Come on. Oh, come on, run.
Okay.
You ain't done it, man. You're on
Yes,
something.
It's okay.
Go and do yours now.
Alright. God.
What are you doing? I told
Sorry.
you, give me the phone.
Sorry,
I
Dad.
told
Sorry.
you, give me the phone, man. You can't do both at once.
Sorry, Dad. Sorry.
Don't be sorry, just listen to that to these, son.
Come on, light.
Go on, man.
There we go. Now we can run. I still love you though. Of course. There it goes. No, I'm a professional lover. Okay.
Alright, where's the bag with that? Because I'm sure there's another. Look, there's another one of these. But where's the other lighter?
You have a lighter?
No, you know the one of them wicks that you got in your hand?
Oh,
Yeah,
these.
should be another one.
I don't know where else it's gone.
No, it's just something over there.
Yeah.
There's two.
Oh, Jesus.
Where's
What the heck?
your...
Just holding a rocket. Yeah.
Let me do one.
No.
Oh, you can light a rocket.
Okay.
Sure.
Still less a rocket.
Hey, Seth.
Oh, hang on.
I want to do two at the same time. Two rockets. Oh, what's this? The 50 pots?
Okay.
It's the big I need that one pop in.
Oh, sadly.
It's dead.
Hmm.
This is the big thing. Yeah,
Seth, wait, Seth.
Yeah.
Help me light it.
Huh?
Light one
That one what?
two in my phone.
Okay.
Oh, what, that one. Alright.
You can borrow him. You
Yeah,
can
give
borrow
me the
it.
wick.
Yeah, here's the wick.
Hold on, wait.
Here. There you go.
When to, let me get the light, keep the Quan.
Yeah, here's the light.
Yeah, I'll tell you when to do it, because I'm going to touch mine.
That's so dumb. That is just ridiculous.
Yo!
Tingle this then.
Huh? Do what?
I got a rock in my hand.
No, fuck that, I don't need to.
That's
Yo, them
ridiculous.
days are over.
That is
The days are
ridiculous.
over. Trust me, daddy. Oi. There's better rockets on there.
Yeah.
Do you like this thing, eh?
Right. Oh, God, this one.
No, this is a big fine thing, eh?
What the heck? Wait, let me put this away. Just put this away. Don't need it. Come on. This is very. God, it's hard to see. Yeah. Some light.
Come on, big boy binging.
Okay, the big one. One of the big ones.
AK time.
Cool.
AK time.
Alright. Right, I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready for the back. I was going off. Run away!
Yo, told you it's AK time.
Go on, my battery's low. Yeah. So the light's off. Sorry, guys. Yeah, such a bad, but okay. Hope you can see well. Oh, sad. Sorry, the light's off.
No, give me some light, give me some light. Give me some light, give me some. Is your
Dad.
phone died?
No, it's just too low, so I can't use the flash.
Oh.
Sorry. But it's still.
Run back.
Right, yeah, it's a bit too dangerous. Like, sick. Still good. Like, okay.
Stand back.
Yeah, I'm standing back.
You're not standing back far enough. Tell me you're standing back until you stand back. Just get further back.
Okay. Ooh. Hard to see the background, but it's not good enough. When the fireworks go off, you'll see the light. So I'm sorry, but you're gonna have to deal with darkness for a bit. Sorry. Okay. 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 Pretty cool.
You can take some of the you know.
Yeah.
Some sparkles.
Yeah. So.
The ones on the floor.
Right.
This goes like that and you let it go, bro. Yeah.
Mate, this one's empty, isn't it?
Yeah, just open them, man. Is there anything in there?
Yeah, mate.
What about the other one?
Yeah, the other one might have more.
Where's the small ones, T? There's some in there. Open.
Okay, I'll open it. It's really hard to open it. That's not.
How's school though, man? Good?
Yeah, school's been good. Oh, Jesus!